started?
Mm-hmm. Oh, dang. You can't see me. I have to stand back here then.
Hello. That's Brianna.
That's Crystal.
And we're getting tired of doing this over and over again.
Yeah.
This is the fourth time.
What
It's the fourth time trying this. 4.
4. 1,
4.
2,
4.
3,
2, 3,
4.
4. Not 5. 4.
Not
3,
3, not
2,
not
1.
3, not 2, not 1. 4.
4. But well, while I still have your attention, well, she,
pee.
go pee.
No, sorry.
Well, yeah, we're going to be doing.
Yeah.
Go pee. I'll be back.
I'll be back.
Yeah, she's going to go pee. So now that I still have your attention, yeah, back to what I was saying. We're going to do the Cat Daddy. You know how people do it, just do the Cat Daddy. By The Rejects and starring Chris Brown. I don't get this. Chris Brown doesn't even say anything in the video, and it says starring Chris Brown. It has nothing to do with Chris Brown. The only thing he does is the Cat Daddy. That's it. He doesn't do anything else. Boring. Boring. Ouch. Ow. 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 See? This is what happens when you don't wash your hair. But yeah. What I was saying. So, yeah, I'm using this camera to kind of fix my hair too. It's because it's an iPod Touch and it has 2 cameras. So I'm looking to fix my hair. And yeah, it's fixed. No, almost. Who cares? But anyway. Yeah. So. Yeah. I got Alistair on my butt. Aeropostale. Well, Brianna's back now. She's coming out. She'll be here in 5, 4, 3. Oh, I spoke too soon. I wasn't listening. But yeah. Cat Daddy. Here we go.
Y'all did not see that.
I didn't.
I was like,
Another butter bootleg on pjbutter.com.
Man, I go to work. True winner. Jeans skinny like Squidward. Looking for your girl. Just missed it. Then my cat daddy and I took it down. Timber. When it's cold, mama call it winter. Swisher full of nuggets, daddy call it dinner. Baby got ass, y'all call it dinners. UPS Jackson's get it with the liver. Cat daddy when I dug it, cat daddy when I remember. Competition, see the creeds, they surrender. Smoking wide cleft kush, now I'm gone in the river. Move your arms like you wheelchair stuck. Drop low, grab your shoulder like 10 power 106 to bang this shit. Big up to my bro Sam, he the king of this shit. Call me SpongeBob, bitch I go to work. Do my cat daddy. Call me SpongeBob, bitch I go to work. I'm too low. I'm in the club all black. Like headlights. I'm too on. Do my cat daddy going blast. I'm a motherfucking fool for this. When it comes to the yard, I'm the coolest kid. I'm in my prime barbecue rib, and it smells like pubes all around my dick. I blockade it like a goalie. Pockets guacamole. Chicks in your fake at your neck like a rolling. Lady with your chick, she hit the cat daddy. Know it's on. A junk of fever, I'm like Marshalls. No way. Yeah, I'm cracking like a football rooster. Chick in the mall, yeah, we call that boozy. Don't get mad, it's your chick, she juicy. Yeah, daddy haters screaming, what the fuck you doing? Bitch, I go to work. Do my cat daddy. Call me SpongeBob. Krabby Patties.
No. Don't fuck it.
Why? Can you do the ending?
Why don't we just speed up to the ending? Just do that.
We're speeding up.
Dog smoking like a chimney. Study of matter and energy is chemistry. Haters don't matter, bitches drain my energy. Fit it in a funk, daddy, baby, come up, swing my arms. Baby, I'm thugging every weekend, I'm clubbing. I show me love and the fade is rain on me.
Another butter bootleg on PJButter.com.
Alrighty. Oh, Jesus.
Bye.